What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and listen, it's the summertime, okay? Y'all are about to go on vacation, and I know you want to brighten it up with some highlights and some color. So I'm going to show you guys a wig that is pre-highlighted so you can get the same look without all the trouble. And we're having girl talk today, so stick around. What is going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we're back with another hair sponsor.
Ooh, baby, she long, baby. So this is our girl today. Yes, this is our young. This is La Inside. So excited! No more being bald-headed. Galaxy hair cap. Yep. Make sure you purchase this because you need it. Okay? All you baldies, you need it. That crinock. What you know about that crinock? Yes. Bad bitches only.
Thank you so much, Don Millie, for sponsoring this video. So they sent me a lace closure unit, and this is highlighted. No, I did not put in any effort to color this hair at all. All I'm doing is installing it. It came pre-dyed, pre-highlighted, and they did a great job on the color. Now with this wig, it's a little bit different because there's only one part. So like normally with closure wigs, you can do like a side part, middle part, you know, you can curve it or do whatever. But this one, it's actually only a middle part. So if you know you love middle parts on you, I would definitely recommend this unit. But an upside is you're gonna spend a lot less on this type of wig rather than like a regular lace front wig. So who doesn't want to save money and have their wig pre-colored? And I don't know about y'all, but I think it's a good deal. All right, so our girl talk today is gonna be about ghosting, right? And I'm not gonna lie, like this subject kind of triggers me because I've been ghosted before and it does not feel good. So the first time I can say I've ever been ghosted was with this guy that I used to talk to in high school, right? I was like in 10th grade. So he was cute, he was light-skinned, he had dreads, he had a nice smile, he could dance. Like he was just so cute to me, right? So we were supposedly like going together, right? At least that's what I thought, you know, because he asked me to be his girlfriend. But we never like went to each other's house. We never kissed or, you know, got sexual. So I'm just thinking, you know, like this my little boyfriend or whatever. Like, I don't know. I didn't even know what it meant to be in a relationship back then. So one day I'm looking on his MySpace and this guy is kissing on a girl and has like a whole album of him and this girl like interacting and kissing and him holding her and stuff. And I was so shocked. I was kind of just like, wait. We're supposed to be going together and you have a whole album of you and this girl and it's not even on private. Like, I didn't understand it. And I wasn't in love with him, so I wasn't like heartbroken, but I was just so confused. And this don't have nothing to do with nothing, but that was like one of the last light-skinned guys I ever talked to. But anyways, another time I've been ghosted, right? So I was talking to this guy, this brown-skinned guy with dreads. Clearly, I'm a sucker for dreads, okay? So we were talking and we weren't official, but in my mind, because we were talking and because we were hanging out and getting sexual, I'm thinking that we were actually building something. But I guess in his mind, we were not. So one day I'm texting him and he just like is not hitting me back. And I'm like, confused because I'm thinking in my mind, like, you know what I'm saying? I thought we was cool. You know, we were hanging out. We're, you know, doing a nasty. So what's up? You know what I'm saying? In my mind back then, I thought that just because you gave your body to a guy that he would like appreciate you in a different way or see you in a different light. But it wasn't until I got older when I realized that that wasn't the case. So again, I look at his story. I think this is on Snapchat or Instagram. I don't know which one this is. And y'all, he is literally with a girl, like in his car. And that's the first time I've ever been like mini heartbroken. I was like so shocked. And because we were getting intimate, like I took it more personal than the first guy. I was like, I couldn't believe it, you know? And he wasn't my boyfriend, so I wasn't gonna call his phone and like, you know, go off on him. But it definitely like affected my self-esteem. And I don't know, like that affected me for like the whole next year. But I guess like that story ended up like turning in my favor because maybe like 2 years later, I saw him at the club, right? Because his homeboy invited me and Frankie to his section. And I was looking cute as hell, okay? Period. Like my body was on point, my outfit was on point, makeup, hair, all that stuff. And he came up to me with his hot, drunk, sloppy ass. And he was like, "Where, man? Where you been? Oh, I got in a car crash. That's why I've been MIA and blah, blah, blah." And he showed me like a picture of the car and stuff. And I was so drunk, y'all. I just started laughing in his face because I'm thinking, boy, I don't care. And even though I didn't like intentionally try to get revenge, it still felt so sweet because I'm just like, yeah, anyways, I don't even want you no more. So yeah, like that was just a few times where I felt like I was ghosted, right? But one thing I really learned from those experiences is I was picking them wrong. You know, like I was intentionally going for guys that clearly are not on the same path as me, clearly don't value the same things I value. And I had to, you know, stop playing the victim at one point. Like instead of looking at myself as, oh, I'm the quote unquote type of girl that guys don't want a wife, or, you know, I'm the type of girl that is not in a relationship. I had to start taking accountability for the guys that I talked to because I was talking to trash. And that also taught me that it doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter how pretty you are. It doesn't matter how, you know, established you are or how high value, quote unquote, you think you are. If a guy does not value you, he doesn't value what you have, he doesn't value what you bring to the table, I mean, it's never gonna work. And if you try to make someone value something they just simply don't value, you're just gonna waste your time and energy. It's like dating someone that eats meat all the time. Like they love ribs, they love steaks, they love burgers, and you're trying to introduce like a vegan lifestyle to them. You know, like you care about them, you care about their health. So it's like you wanna do this and you're doing this out of love. But if they don't care about that shit, you are wasting your time. So yeah, I had to realize that it was on me. Like it was my fault that I was picking the wrong guys, and I was picking guys that really could not relate to me. I couldn't relate to them, you know, and I had to learn that the super hard way.
I asked the question of, are we gonna continue? Are we gonna fix it? Are we gonna work on it? He was like, yeah, I'll talk to you later. You have a good day. I've not heard from this man within a week.
Oh shit, it's cute. Oh.
Stop playing with me. Oh!
Cute.
Wow.
Oh, this is cute.
It's cute. This color is bad. What?
Oh yeah, definitely.
This was perfect. But yeah, girl, look at me now. Ghost me if you want to, nigga. Look at me now. You're like, 7 days too late. Boom. Okay?
That is too funny.
How you gonna tell someone you're gonna talk to them the same day and then don't even call until a week later?
Nah, we're gonna do that.
Up.
No, period. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all know this. If a guy is not acting, and I'm not saying talking, if he's not acting like he wants to pursue you, if he's not acting like, you know, he wants what you want and y'all value the same things and y'all are going in the same direction, girl, keep your options open. I'm not saying cut him off or lose faith in him, but just keep your options open, because I would hate, you know, for y'all to put all your eggs in one basket and he ends up, you know, keeping his options open and eventually kind of just doing his own thing and just leaving you behind. And it has nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with what he wants, you know? So yes, guys, this is the final result and it came out so freaking cute. So I would highly suggest, like, if you're doing curls on this wig, make sure you have a hairspray, because sometimes when you try to curl straight wigs, the curls don't stay or they don't like look as bouncy as they can. So definitely get you a good hairspray and your curls are gonna be fine. So thank you so much, Don Millie, for sponsoring this video with this beautiful closure highlighted wig, which can be worn glueless as well, by the way. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later, and don't let these sticks play you.